Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pragati Negi, and today on the occasion of World No Tobacco Day, let's understand what Ayurveda says about tobacco and its impacts on health. So, we can understand that tobacco or nicotine is considered as cardiac poison when it is classified in the poisons category. So, according to Ayurveda classical text, we have studied that heart, Hriday, is the sthan of per oj, and tobacco, nicotine, being one of cardiac poisons, मतलब कि वो जो विष की कैटेगरी में आता है, so विष is considered directly opposite to ओज, as जो विष के गुण होते हैं वो होते हैं रुक्ष, उष्ण, तीक्ष्ण, सूक्ष्म, आशु, व्यवायी, विकासी, विषत, लघु एंड अपाकी. Whereas जो ओज के गुण होते हैं वो 10 के 10 गुण इससे ऑपोजिट होते हैं. सो टोबैको या निकोटीन प्रेजेंट इन इट ग्रेजुअली ड्राइज अप योर बॉडीज इम्यूनिटी एंड वाइटलिटी. वो जो सेकंड कंसेप्ट है इसे समझने का आयुर्वेद के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, वो हो सकता है निकोटीन एज दूषी विष. दूषी विष के श्लोक में इट इज मेंशन दैट दीर्घल्प भावान न निपात्येत तत् कफावृतम वर्षगण अनुबंधी, which means कि ये being of low potency, it accumulates or stays in our body for a long period of time. Kaf avrit means enveloped or masked by kapha dosha. So it accumulates or gets stored in the body's fatty tissues and many srotas as well. We can actually conclude that tobacco in any form, either smoking or chewing form, is not good for our health, right? So it actually affects all of the systems of the body, either cardio system, respiratory system, right, digestive system. It also affects the liver, and it also affects your mental condition as well, cognitive impairment. All these kinds of things happen when you're a chronic smoker. So it is important to stop the consumption of tobacco either in chewing or smoking form, and also share this message to the ones you actually care for. Thank you, and spread awareness on World No Tobacco Day.